In this video, I'll show you how to print your flight ticket from trip.com. Alright, so first and foremost, what you want to do is on the trip.com home screen, you want to click on account. That's at the bottom right. Then you'll see upcoming. Click on that. Here in upcoming, you can see all your up and coming flights. And whichever one it is, just click on flight status. Then on that flight status page, you'll see right at the bottom, there should be manage my bookings. I don't have any bookings to actually show you with, so I'm just using some screenshots. And now here you should see an option that says get a receipt. It should be under more options. Now on this receipt page, you will see a list of your flight bookings and you can select the specific e-ticket you need. Then just click on continue at the bottom. If this is just something for personal use, you just want to click on individual instead of company. Then just put in your name in the optional name field. And then the email address and hit send. And then you should receive confirmation that you have received. Then you should receive a sent successfully confirmation. And then all you'll have to do is check your email and then you can print from there. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.